Hello everyone. Today, I will help you understand about career options in photography after 10th and 12th. But before we move on to that, I would like to explain what is photography, why you should choose photography, and who is it for. Photography is not your camera or your lens. Those are just tools. And some of that gear is pretty impressive. But it's not what gives a photographer the ability to get amazing shots. The thing that you must understand is that photography is all about you and how you see the world. It's about understanding what you want to say, regardless of your subject matter. It's about slowing down your hectic day and sleeping into a calm, meditative state. It's about looking at the world and actually seeing it. If you can do this, then you are well on your way to becoming a photographer. I've noticed quite a bit that a lot of people think photography is a money-making industry. Well, you need to clear your choices, whether you want to pursue it because you are passionate about it or just because there's a lot of money in it. So if you are passionate about photography, there's a lot to explore in this field with career options. But if you're doing it from an income point of view only, the journey will be short and brief. So for me, if you love photography more than anything else, if you enjoy being in the entire process of taking a picture, or even someone who will easily lose track of time while shooting and enjoy every aspect of photography, then photography is for you. A lot of students and parents ask me about the prospects of photography in India. And can somebody really make a career in photography? First, it's always at the cusp of the times. When newspapers exploded, so did a need for photography. The same was true for the explosion of the internet and its current state, which we like to call social media. With technology and the digital platforms expanding more rapidly than ever before in India, the need for great photographers continues to increase. Photographers can find a variety of jobs in different sectors. They can also start their own studio by providing a variety of services in photography and starting to work as an entrepreneur or a freelance photographer. Now coming on to one of the main questions about choosing photography as a career after 10th or 12th. Let me give you a word of advice. It is really important to complete your school or college, because usually when you drop out, you miss on the vital education that only your school or your college can give you, which will somewhere down the line be very useful for you. Another dilemma for students is how to pursue photography after 12th, in terms of doing a diploma or degree or something completely different while doing photography by the side. I personally believe in the third option. You can decide a different course of your choice, like for example, BBA or a BMM or BCom or anything else of your choice. One of the reasons behind this is if you are just concentrating on photography, you might fail in marketing and advertising your images. College education can help you with the commercial side of it. So what I have generally noticed with people is they are good photographers but fail to market or advertise their talent due to lack of audience. While you are learning photography, it is also important to learn and improve your other skills like marketing and advertising, communication and presentation skills, understanding numbers from the financial point of view. And all of these are usually covered when you are graduating with courses in commerce, arts, or sometimes even science from your college. So if you choose to do just photography full-time or as a degree, then you may become very good at the technical and the artistic skills of photography. But you will miss out on the other important aspects of the industry, like improving your communication skills and so on. When you move on to college, talk to people and your friends, you gain a certain kind of confidence, which will help you to improve your presentation and overall vocational development. And not to forget that you also make tons of friends that become an important part of your network in the real world and also on the social media platforms. The good thing about starting your photography journey at an early stage is that you will have enough time to invest in the industry after completing your photography studies. Now that most of you are clear about choosing photography as a career option, the next important question is, how should you start learning photography? Should you study photography from an institute? Well, I really believe learning photography through an institute gives you a good direction. There are tons of videos available out there, but an institute provides structure to your learning and keeps you motivated. Learning under the guidance of a mentor adds immense value. There are a lot of other benefits of studying photography from an institute or a photography school. It connects you to the industry and helps you build your network. Mentors at the institute help you overcome real-life challenges in photography by guiding you and giving you professional feedbacks to make you industry ready. You get access to high-end professional equipments and studio practices. You are surrounded with a group of students with similar interests but different backgrounds, and that just creates a perfect environment to learn and challenge yourself to compete. At the end of the course, you will not only produce a professional portfolio, but the qualification achieved through formal education adds immense value to your profile. Alright, this is a good question and an important one. There are certain things you should be looking while choosing the right institute. Firstly, you need to check the course curriculum. Are they covering all the types of photography you are interested in? And are they offering you a specialization if you want to advance? Apart from this, find out if the institute has experienced faculties who can help you achieve your goals. You also need to check the infrastructure and support provided by the institute. Do they have the required equipment to support your learning? Try to talk to the course advisors and understand the teaching methodology. Does the institute gives you good practical exposure and encourage you to work on collaborated industry projects? Engage in photography tours, competitions, and exhibition visits. And while these academic activities are very important, you should also check if the institute involves you in other social events, as this helps you improve your other skills required to be successful in the industry. It is also important that the institute provides you internships and placement support so that you can take advantage of the institute's industry connects. I hope I have been able to clear your thoughts and help you take your first step in photography. You can also check my other video where I am talking about the different career pathways in photography. And if you have any questions, then please write to me in the comment sections below. And don't forget to like and share this video. Keep following our channel for more educational and motivational videos on photography.